How you doing, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be changing out the glove box light, the heated seats, the illumination lights, and also if you have a Sequoia, it's going to be the ride height control. Also we're going to have the Footwell light down there. All right, everyone, to change the Footwell light, it's right here. All you have to do is, we'll try to get a better angle. It's right here, and all you do is you twist it and it should pull out. And this bulb is a T5 bulb. All right, to replace this, all you need to do is just pull this out and put the new bulb in. And I have these T5s. Jeez. Then all you have to do is just put it back in its place, just twist. That's it for that bulb. All right, everyone, so to get to the light inside the glove box, we have to take the whole door because you won't be able to see it without it. There's two Phillips head screws right here. You take those off and then you remove the whole door. All right, once you remove the screws at the bottom, it should be able to come off. So you just take it off and then it's open right here. So the light is right here in that basket. And comment below if you knew we even had a glove box light, because to be honest with you, I didn't even know we had one. To take this off, the best way is to have a kind of needle nose pliers or something like that. And what you do is you just grab it and you pull down on it. All right, once you take the basket out, you can take the whole thing off. All right, once you open this basket, then the light is right there. Nose, and it pulls right out. Just be gentle so you won't break it in there. But once that's off, you take your T5 bulb and you stick it back in there. Once you get that light in there and plugged up, then all you have to do is put it back and we'll put the glove box door back. Once you put back the door, then you go ahead and screw the screws back in, and that should be it for the glove box light. All right, once you get done with the glove box, to be able to change the lights for the heated seats, you're gonna have to take this piece off. Oh, that flew. Anyways, once you get this piece off, all you have to do is just give this a good yank, just like that, and that will show you these clips right here. So you have to take these clips off. The easiest way to do it. So these little white things are the bulbs. So once you unscrew it, it should pop out and you put the new one in. And once you replace all the bulbs, you plug them back in. Make sure the bulbs work before you button everything up, and that should be it. All right, so this is how the Footwell light looks. It's a whole lot brighter. I recommend when you do these buttons, do them at night, because even during the day I had a hard time seeing if they're lit or not. But once they're lit, once it's at night, you can see them clearly. Now, I don't know what's wrong with my glove box, but I put a brand new bulb in there and it still doesn't work. I don't know if there's something going on or a fuse I need to check, but these lights are on. They look pretty nice, a lot brighter than the green ones. All right, everyone, if you like this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I'll have more videos coming. I'll upload every 2 weeks. All right, see y'all next video.